Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Shin Ramen. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of Shin Ramen, 550 milliliters of water, and any extra toppings you love. Next, prepare a medium-sized pot on your stove. Then, open the ramen packet and separate the noodle block, the soup base, and the dried vegetable flakes. This initial setup ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, bring 550 milliliters of water to a rolling boil in your pot. Once it's bubbling vigorously, add the noodle block and the dried vegetable flakes. Cook these for 3 minutes. During this time, gently separate the noodles using chopsticks or a fork to ensure even cooking and prevent sticking. This step is crucial for perfect noodle texture. After the noodles have cooked for 3 minutes, it's time to add the flavor. Stir in the entire soup base packet. Continue cooking for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, stirring occasionally to fully dissolve the base. For an extra rich broth, you can crack an egg directly into the pot during the final minute of cooking. Your delicious Shin Ramen is almost ready. Enhance it further with your favorite toppings, such as sliced green onions, kimchi, or even a slice of cheese. Serve it immediately in a bowl to savor the perfect texture and warmth. Remember, you can always adjust the initial water amount for a stronger or milder broth, tailoring it perfectly to your taste. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.